Good morning, students. The topic for today's class is elements of design. What is a design? A design is an orderly arrangement of line, shape, size, texture, and color. All these components of design are called the elements of design. The first one is shape. The overall shape of a garment is its form or silhouette, its overall outline. The shape is created by the cut and construction of a garment. For example, a plain sleeve will make a person appear thinner, whereas a puff sleeve will make a person appear broader. Clothes can reveal or disguise the natural body contour. Clothing shapes that are most flattering to a person emphasize his or her good features and hide the less attractive ones. Using shape in clothing. If a person wants to look larger, wide and full shapes must be used. If a person wants to look smaller, trim, compact silhouettes are the best. Next element of design is line. What is a line? A distinct elongated mark as if drawn by a pencil is called a line. Eyes follow lines up, down, side to side or around. The line types are straight lines. They are bold and severe, suggest dignity, power and formality. The straight line is seen in this blue line, blue and tan stripes going across the t-shirt in this picture. Curved lines are rounded, circular or flattened out. They increase the size and shape of the figure. They also give a soft, gentle, youthful, charming, graceful and flowing feeling. In this picture, the curved line is seen in the inner and outer edges of the collar. Vertical lines give the impression of being taller or thinner. They also give the feeling of dignity, strength, poise and sophistication. The blue vertical lines in this picture are shown that try to increase the height of the person. Horizontal line directions. Horizontal lines are usually from side to side like the horizon. They give the impression of being shorter and heavier. Horizontal lines also give a relaxed and calm feeling. They suggest rest and gentleness. Diagonal lines are a satisfying combination of vertical and horizontal lines. They are slanted. The degree it is slanted determines the visual effect on clothes. In the first picture, you can see a diagonal line is created by the arrangement of flowers in the fabric. In the second picture, the diagonal line has been created at the hemline of the skirt. The next element of design is texture. It is also called the fabric's character. Texture is nothing but the way a fabric feels when touched. The surface quality of goods, we can also say this way. The quality of roughness, smoothness, glossiness or stiffness. Texture is determined by a fabric's fibers, yarns and method of construction. Structural texture is created when fabrics or garments are manufactured. Visual texture is printed onto the surface of the fabric or garments. Smooth, flat textures make people look smaller. Shiny textures make the body look larger because they reflect light. And that's the reason people who are on the heavier side should avoid shiny textures. They make fabric look lighter and brighter, thus making the body look larger. Rough textures tend to subdue the colors of the fabric. The texture of this jacket is fuzzy. Sheer fabrics reveal the true body shape. It tends to soften the figure when used over a soft lining. This blouse is sheer. Dull textures make a person appear smaller because they absorb light. The dull texture of the blouse and jeans make the person appear smaller. Clinging soft textures reveal the body's true silhouette. Stiff, crisp textures make the total shape appear bigger because they stand away from the body. This linen jacket makes the body appear larger because it stands away from the body. So this is the end of the class. Thank you, girls.